2019 Lincoln Continental Reserve with less than 6,000 miles on it. Hi, everyone. My name is Carter, and I own Autorama Auto here in Dickinson, North Dakota. What a beautiful car. Man, the last of the Lincoln cars, sedans. Again, it's got 5,700 miles on it. Local, clear Carfax, balance of factory warranty, independently inspected. You can upgrade the warranty very reasonably in our finance office. Speaking of finance, get pre-approved at the AutoramaAuto.com. That's AutoramaAuto.com. We can have you in under 20 minutes. The long part about buying a car is waiting on financing. Come in pre-approved, and you can test drive it. If you like it, you love it, you leave with it in 20 minutes. We're not going to keep you all day like the big box dealers. Back to the car. It's got the pearl white, the tri-platinum or whatever they call it this year, the front sensors and cameras, all-wheel drive, 2.7 turbo, big double roof, you'd never tell from the outside, tinted windows, got those awesome Lincoln seats with all the baffling in the individuals, touchscreen navigation, of course. It's a Lincoln. It's got everything. It's got all the fancy stuff. Heated seats, cooled seats, heated rear seats, push button start, remote start, shifters, power steering, power tilt cruise, adaptive cruise, all the good stuff. Just what a beautiful car. I wish I could. This is another one I wish I could keep. I wish I had a 100,000 square foot building and the money to do it, because there's a lot of cars I fall in love with. This one is no exception. Let's talk about price. You might find them cheaper, maybe, but as of right now, we have the lowest 19 all-wheel drive in the country for miles. Some dealers, they do advertise them cheaper, but they have hidden fees. Do not fall for the hidden fees. We do not have hidden fees. Price you see is price you pay, drive it away. Price you see is price you pay, drive it away. We do not have the hidden fees, folks. We do have a $145 dock fee. Dock fees are standard in the car business. Not the price, though. Ours is cheap. And guess what? Ours is free to you. This is your video coupon. Corey, give these folks a free dock fee. That's right. Show this video to the manager, and he'll give you a free dock fee. So a recap. 2019 all-wheel drive Lincoln Continental Reserve. 5,700 miles. Independently inspected. Factory warranty. Fully loaded. Fast financing. No hidden fees. Come and experience the Autorama Advantage.